Y'all should get Sage coming on a quick message. If you this about cleaning up right now. I think it's a full moon. Yeah, it's Tuesday. All right, you need to make sure you get your house cleaned up. Cause what I'm noticing that my spiritual guy trying to tell me is like clean up. Even though my house is not bad off, you still need to keep it very tidy during this time. Cause what give me this download, like, cause I get messages all type of ways, dreams, download thoughts, you know what I'm saying, or just experiences they put around me for me to get the message. So what I want to tell you guys, like I said, it's about cleaning up around my house. Once for one instance, my daughter put paint all over the floor, so I had to come in and paint. I mean, some of y'all might be paint. Here, I got paint. It might be some orange paint. Somebody might use orange paint. This might be confirmation. Somebody using orange paint. But anyway, I had to clean up paint off the floor, mop up paint. You know what I'm saying? So they want you to clean up, mop your floors. Make sure you keep your floors tidy during this time. We're doing all the time, but I'm saying, like, especially when it's full moon, something about tracking. People can be tracking something through your house, especially during your kitchen area. That's what people. That way you cook. You must some y'all praise. The way you do your. That's what you do your vibe at. You know what I'm saying? To keep that area tight. Keep it tidy. Then in the bathroom, that's another area where people go in and they wash themselves, they use the toilets, they wash their hands, you know what I'm saying, all that. So while I was in the bathroom, I messed around. I was going to my underneath my cabinet to get some band-aids for my nail. I hit my nail. Somebody didn't get a feeling. So I hit my nail, so I'm like, I put a band-aid on because it was hurt. When I was going to get my little one of my little cubbies, I knocked out my some of my cleaning products, my what that stuff called? It's that powder stuff. Ajax. I think it's Ajax. It's the lavender brand. Yeah, I tried out. But I had knocked it out and it fell on my feet, out the powder fell on my feet. I said, God damn. I said, y'all want me to clean up this? I said, okay, I'm gonna clean up. So now I'm cleaning out the tub. So some of y'all been guys that make sure you keep your tubs clean. So you got people that use the tub, not just, people outside of your you know what I'm saying, outside of you and your children. Clean your tubs out, make sure you keep them tight because there's all this energy. I heard one lady say one time, how can you get clean in a dirty tub? So it's important for you to keep your tubs clean, and especially at this time during this full moon to 2 o'clock. Keep your toilet clean, keep your sink clean. This is the message I'm getting. I just want to pass it on to you guys. And I'm not saying that your house is not clean, but we got a full moon coming up tomorrow. So I feel like some of y'all need to go do a real deep cleaning. Maybe today if you can, or during the full moon tomorrow. Just to keep your mind balanced, keep your mind at ease. And if you live with somebody, just clean up your area. Okay. And like I said, if you live in my company, make sure you clean your area up, like your bedroom. If you don't have your own place, keep your area tight. 2:52 on the clock. Keep your area tidy right now, because like I said, it is a lot of energy going on. And the full moon energy always be intense. Sometimes it can be a lot of manipulation going on at the time. It's going on at that time as well. So I just want to come in and give y'all that advice. Clean it up, especially if you've been knocking over cleaning products, or the kids been making major messes. My daughter painted half of the whole damn kitchen floor, and I was in the other room. I said, hold up, the other one's too quiet. It's not going to. I said, oh my God, I ain't even get mad. I said, well, that's what happened when your kids are quiet. Go check on them, baby, because they doing something they supposed to be doing. And like I said, the other one doing her schoolwork, so that's why she got past me with that one. I ain't even get mad about it, because I want to get mad about baby just paint. Hell, she got some paint, started painting. Her mama paint her. She doing what her mama do, but she doing it on the floor. But besides that fact, y'all clean up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the kitchen is a major factor in the bathroom. The kitchen, and the bathroom. You eat in the bath, you eat in the kitchen, and you clean in the bathroom, clean stuff up in the bathroom. You fix and you cook food in the kitchen. So that is very important at this time. Okay. Peace and love, you guys. That's the message I got. I just want to pass it on to you guys. I hope whoever needs, I hope it reach that person.